our menu is so healthy. We're going to do the green cabbage stir fry with the fish sauce. But I have some tip. I'm going to top up with JerkyThai bacon from JerkyThai.com. Let's start it.
One shot to the head, I need a blank space. Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fame, and she look better in bed. And I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget. Everything is so boring. Can't get up in the morning. I'm so sick of the I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make I wanna play the game, yeah.
I hope you catch up some technique before you mix up with the sauce. Make sure you melt the sugar and the fish sauce, make it a thicker before you mix it together. That way your cabbage stir fry can be super, sticky with the sauce into the vegetable. Let's start. Let me have another bite with the JerkyThai, the bacon one. I wish you guys can smell the fish sauce with the cabbage here with me and taste together. So anyway, our JerkyThai have 3 types of the meat. We have a bacon, we have beef, and we have pork. And we fill up with 4 Asian flavor. Please feel free to visit our JerkyThai.com and support our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our recipe of the cabbage stir fry with the fish sauce today. And see you next time.